We just learned about least common multiples. These can be found by comparing two numbers and finding the smallest number between both of them. By the same token, we will want to be able to identify the greatest common factor between two numbers. So let's show how we do that. As you may be able to guess, this is the largest number that is a factor of both numbers. Take, for example, 10 and 15. If we write out all the factors for 10, that would be 1, 2, 5, and 10. For 15, that would be 1, 3, 5, and 15. The largest numbers that can be found in both of these lists is 5. So 5 is the greatest common factor between these two numbers. Now let's try 18 and 24. Here are all the factors of both of these numbers. And we will find that 6 is the largest factor that is common to both lists. So 6 is the greatest common factor of 18 and 24. Just like with least common multiples, this is easy to do with small numbers, because they will only have a handful of numbers, so we can list them all and compare. But again, as factors get larger, it may become tedious to list and compare. So, there is a bit of a trick for this one as well. Let's look at the same example we just did. We can carry out the prime factorization of both numbers, and that would give us 2 times 3 times 3, and 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Once we have this, all we do is take all of the numbers that appear in both lists, as many times as they appear in both of the lists, and multiply them together. So this first 2, that's in both, so let's pull that aside. Then this 3, that's also in both, so let's pull that aside as well. Now we are done. Now we take the 2 and 3 we pulled aside and multiply them together to get 6. This works because if we take all of the prime factors that are present in both lists, they must necessarily give a product that is a factor of both numbers. And with no more prime factors to multiply by, this will necessarily be the greatest common factor. This technique is reliable no matter how big the numbers get. So it eventually becomes a much better strategy than listing all the factors and examining the list. Alright guys, that was greatest common factor. Next, we'll be moving on to addition and subtraction of fractions.